I'm Troy Beverly, and this is Pan-African News. Zimbabwe. Lithuania may donate 17 fire trucks bound for Zimbabwe to Ukraine. The Zimbabwean government is considering international arbitration to recover 17 fire trucks exported from Belarus that were confiscated by Lithuania at the Malku Bay seaport of Klaipeda in March 2023 due to Belarus and Zimbabwe being under international sanctions. As stated in the Zimbabwe Mail, Zimbabwean Commissioner Advocate Obert Gutu said Lithuania has no right to confiscate the fire engines under international law because they were legitimately and lawfully purchased by Zimbabwe. A delegation led by Zimbabwean Attorney General Virginia Mabiza traveled to Lithuania in February to negotiate the return of the fire trucks in vain. During the meeting, Mabiza informed her Lithuanian counterpart Nita Grunskine of the constant threat of wildfires in Zimbabwe that result in the loss of lives and property in vulnerable parts of the developing country. Thereafter, the Lithuanian authorities requested proof of purchase of the vehicles, which was subsequently furnished. However, the Lithuanian government neglected to follow up on the discussion. In a recent interview, Mabiza said Zimbabwe, quote, will explore all legal options, including international arbitration, if diplomatic efforts fail, unquote. Last Sunday, Lithuania announced that it was considering donating the Zimbabwe-bound fire engines to Ukraine, but is waiting to see if Zimbabwe will appeal its decision to confiscate them, as reported by Ukrainska Pravda.